बीएआरसी ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का, जिसमें के सस्पिशंस ट्रेंड्स टीआरपी के देखे गए।
That was the beginning of a scam they cooked up. And from the beginning, Republic told you it was a hit job.
This is how we keep our accounts, viewers. Ye dekhiye, I want to ask today, which media owner in India, Ishkaran, can come on a TV program and hold his book of accounts?
We told you their intention was to harass Team Republic and Arnab.
You were physically assaulted.
I am not
physically you assaulted.
Have. When?
Sachin, you and he have.
Assault! Assault!
Don't push.
The controversial cop they unleashed has been thrown out of the system, along with his cabal. They are a disgrace to the uniform. Sachin Vaze's confession has revealed the truth about what happened in October and November 2020. This is what Sachin Vaze has said in a statement to the Enforcement Directorate in the investigation against Anil Deshmukh, the former Maharashtra Home Minister. He confesses that he was given directions straight from the former Home Minister to arrest Arnab Goswami in the TRP case. Sachin Vaze has confessed that he was asked to give regular updates to Anil Deshmukh. Back then, Sachin Vaze thought he had gamed the entire criminal justice system. Because it was a case, I believe, that was closed by the police itself.
Yeah, the same police and same court has opened it.
Sachin Vaze's confession has big implications. It proves the entire TRP case was a fixed and a fraud case to target Republic. It proves the TRP case was fixed to target Republic and Arnab. It proves that there was a deep conspiracy to somehow arrest Arnab. It proves that Arnab and Republic were the #1 target and that false cases were created. It proves that the anti-Republic media colluded in amplifying fabricated cases.
Camera out.
Yeah.
Camera out.
Yeah. Sir, he has been cooperating with the summons. Why have you arrested him in such a fashion? He has been interrogated for over 100 hours, sir.
First to go, get out of this.
If you don't
First to
mind.
get out of this. First to get out of this. Get out of this.
Yes.
First to get out of this.
In November 2020, Justice Chandrachud in his judgment sent a strong message to the state on Arnab's arrest while granting bail. He observed, "Doors of this court cannot be closed to a citizen who is able to establish prima facie that the instrumentality of the state is being weaponized for using the force of criminal law." Hari Salve, who fought and continues to fight for Republic, had argued that Arnab's arrest was just a smokescreen to teach him a lesson.
The tsunami of truth has been unleashed, because today the revelations and evidence that I have with me have far-reaching implications for the Republic Media Network. This is the worst ever misuse and abuse of public office to fix, frame and crush independent media in this country, M.R. Venkatesh.
They arrested our CEO, Vikas Kanchandani. They arrested Ghanshyam Singh. They summoned our top officials and the entire newsroom. But tonight, look at what's happening. Parambir is on the run. Sachin Vaze is in jail. Republic has won. The political fixing has been exposed. The people have had the last word.